What's up, guys? I'm making an Iron Man suit in Animal Company. If Gibby's watching this, I was right. Okay, so basically, my idea is that I'm going to get like a shield generator. I'm gonna get a backpack. I'm gonna goop this to the front of the backpack. I'm gonna put it like inside one another, and I'm gonna like bam. So whenever I want to, I can make a shield. It's beautiful. I'm already invincible. I also want to make the thrusters. So, I'm gonna put like... okay, so... First of all, I also want to attach something else to the bag. I want to get 2 pieces of goop. Attach them to both sides of the bag. And put shields on. Just as like a, like a just in case. Okay, I'm not gonna do a lot of commentary on this one because I'm so locked in making this. Also, I don't know if you can hear, but it's like really windy out. So, okay, there. My back is covered. I'm protected. Got the shield generator. And so, basically, I think my idea is to have like a grappler. So get a grappler. And I want to put a goop here. And then I want to put a, I want to hold in this hand. I'm going to put a gun inside. Kind of like this. See, I can shoot. It's like a, you know the propulsion guns in the movie? Yeah, that's kind of what I want to do here. I also want to make a hand for, like, flying. So, I think I'm just gonna find one of those Hulk hands in a lobby to do that. So, okay, wait, yeah, let me show it off. So, basically, I can do the shield generator. Can grapple the walls. And here, I'll also add a teleport gun. I know Iron Man couldn't teleport, but I don't care. It's gonna look cool in the end. So if I need to teleport away, kaboom. See that? Okay, so this is it so far. I have ammo. So see, kablam! It's beautiful. I'm probably gonna make a cut in the video here so I can look for a Hulk hand. Hey, gabagoo, gabagoo, gabagoo. Okay. Okay. I got the Hulk hand, but the bad news is all my stuff disappeared. But it shouldn't take that long to get back. I forgot to mention, but shout out this guy. He's cool. He was the one who gave me the Hulk hand. He's cool. He's the best. Yeah. Shout out him. So, gotta get this. Put this on the back. Get a force field generator. Bam. Kaboom. Recipe is my granny. She got hit by a bazooka. What happened? Okay, wait. Okay, so. Bam. Kaboom. I put a shield here. Bam. Get another goop. Put another shield here. Wait. Okay. Why did it do the thing? I don't want it to. Okay, there. Okay. What? Wait a minute. What the hell? I'm stupid. Wait. There. Okay, okay, I have this part back. I think I'm gonna add like another thing, another shield part. This is good enough. Here, wait, I'm actually gonna put like a shield. So first of all, I'm gonna put kablam. I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna add a shield over this so no one can turn it off. I mean, I don't know. I probably don't have to, actually. So, yeah, this is the suit of armor, kind of. Yeah, actually, wait. I know how to make it an actual suit of armor. Should have it somewhere. Or, wait, was that it? Did I already pass it? No, I didn't. I know I have one of them somewhere. There it is. Shadow Knight set, and you gotta, get rid of this. Okay, yeah, that looks tough, My freaking hands are pissing me off. See, look, that's way better. Okay, I look tough. Also, for you, Gibby, at the end of the video, I'm gonna go into lobbies and, let me get myself another, kaboom. We're gonna use it in this hand. And for this hand, we're gonna get the grappler. Again. And the gun. Better yet. We're gonna get one of these, and we're gonna goop a bunch of ammo on it so I can reload easier. So basically, if I put ammo on it, I can just, like, when I use it, I can press Y and it'll reload. Peek. It's a pretty peak idea. I'll have to make this arm every time, but it's not too hard. And also I can put it in here. Let's get rid of this. I'm pretty sure I've had that for a while now. Oh no. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, that was almost ported, but I'm ported all. Okay, we can scan it now. Okay. Scan. Oh. Did that work? What do you mean? Okay, whatever. It's not that hard. Okay, let's go into a lobby. Let's try this out. Okay. So we at least have to kill like 2 people. That's a respectable option.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Get away from me.
No.
Alright.
I need your help.
Put the portable safe zone on. Bam. Kaboom.
Oh. I need more goop. Where's goop? Does anybody have
The true pipe.
Perfect. Okay.
goop?
Now I just need to remake this. Not that hard.
I'm completely safe.
I can just respawn.
Portable safe zone. I think I've achieved Iron Man physique.
Wait, where's
I am Iron Man. I am Animal Company's
You guys
Iron Man.
like the
Mr.
boat
Pooh.
map?
He's the
How
best
about we
Iron
have
Man
a
ever.
party in boat map? Join the code WRE if you want to have a party in boat map. It will include disco balls, a bunch of whole
What is this guy talking about?
Maybe even giveaways. What's the code? What's the code? WRE. By the way,
Yo, join that code,
WRE.
everybody.
I'll
Grief
tell
that
you the rules.
code.
This thing will
Grief the
instant kill you.
code. Grief the code. Kidding.
Kill me.
Yes, you like mine?
Kill me.
Yeah, I can. I can probably.
Almost a kill. That was like half a kill.
WRE. If you want to join
Yo, join that code.
RE. WRE. There's already people in there. They'll tell you the rules when we get in there. WRE if you want to join.
Alright, let's shoot, half the lobby just left because of that. Ooh! Okay, first kill, first kill.
What's the boat code? What's the
boat code?
First kill is Iron Man. I can't escape Redwatch, but I can escape Death.
Everybody join the code.
Join the code DAID.
Party in the boat.
Okay, that's 2 kills.
Wait, what's the code?
Let's see how many kills I get before I die.
Party at the boat. ZAID 23 to have a party.
Being Iron Man was pretty neat.
God. Me. Only someone.
Guys, I found us.
Okay, that's 4 kills. Approximately. I don't know if I killed the guy thrice. Oh no. Uh-oh. Okay. We're back.
Look who will save you.
Iron Man is such a good hero. I don't know what you're talking about. Reload. Alright. Still haven't died yet. It's 5 kills. Okay, let's go for someone else. I've killed the same guy like 5 times. Okay, got 6. My portable safe zone is still working. I don't even think I need it anymore. I think I only need it for when I don't have Red Watch. He said, poor guy. Anyways.
Yeah.
Wow, that one hurt. Alright, that's 7 kills, I think. Uh-oh. What be that noise?
Oh yeah, how smart. The person who did not kill you.
Is Dad? Alright, that's 8 kills. Alright, next. Okay. I'm still not dead. Still not dead. Undefeated! 9 kills.
We're waiting for a closer target.
10 kills and I'm done. 10 kills and I'm done. I gotta kill a different person though, so. That's 10. I am Iron Man! Fuck! I am Iron Man.
If you build it up, that doesn't mean you have to kill me.
There's my.
Because I'll make you a red watch.
And guess what? Shockingly,
can't
he's
do that.
actually
No.
only melee. Not a stupid gunner or
I'm still alive! Yeah, y'all think you could take advantage of my portable safe zone? Okay, that was great. I got all my stuff taken from me. That kind of sucked. But that was still pretty good. Otherwise, I got 10 kills. Some dog made fun of me. But I still did it. Iron Man and Animal Company is real. Yeah, I was right all along. I was right. Goodbye.